Hello, to create a dashboard using Suadeo AI, you can use user data. To do this, go to the catalog service and search for the user data to be used. Here, SIRH. By clicking on the user data, you can view all its characteristics and information, but you can also perform a number of actions by clicking on the Actions button. The possible actions are to query the user data in REST API if the option is enabled, to delete the user data, to create a new dashboard or report, but above all, to be able to create an AI dashboard. In our case, we will click on New AI Dashboard. In the window that opens, you can write a prompt defining the components and rules to be positioned in the dashboard. Then click on Save to start creating the dashboard. Here, we request the creation of 3 components, including a bar chart showing the number of employees per position, a detail grid with the employees' last names, first names, positions, and hire dates, and finally a line chart showing the number of employee hires per year. Once the table has been created, a message indicates that it is ready to be opened. When we open the dashboard, we can see that the prompt has been followed and that the components have been created in accordance with the initial request. From then on, if necessary, it is possible to modify the dashboard like a classic dashboard by adding components, modifying the display of components and metrics, or adding calculated fields. Once the various changes have been made, you can save the dashboard to view or modify it later. Thank you for watching this video.